I really liked hiking the mountain. I don't think anyone else agreed with me on this one, but I really liked it. Oh, it was so pretty. I got so many good photos from the hike because everything colour-wise was just so pretty to look at. Like all the colours, it was amazing. And I also really liked the traditional Korean performance because I loved watching all the instruments and stuff. Village as well, and the fact that they had people actually working there and doing like what they would have done like back in the day. I thought that was really cool. Cafe, like little restaurant around the corner from us, like a little 10-minute walk, and it's like a really small like restaurant, and I think it's like a family-owned like little restaurant, but they do like omelette rice, and it's the best thing I think I've had. Like honestly, it's so good. It's so different from like back in England. Like you'd never find anything that I've had here back in England, so it's nice that I can eat things still here that I wouldn't get back at home. Even I felt really bad because when I first messaged Nathan, I felt like I had like a million questions for Nathan, but he responded to everything and like helped me with everything, and I wasn't worried at all by the time I got here because he'd answered like everything I asked for and stuff, so it was really helpful. It's amazing. Like she was really good. She went through everything slowly, and if you didn't understand anything, she went through it properly, and that was really helpful. But the teachers have all been dead good. Like when I asked them for help and stuff, they tried their best to help me, and Trip.com awesome course has been a really good experience because I've never travelled before, so this was like a really big like jump. So going from like England to South Korea was like a massive decision for me, and I would have been like completely lost if I hadn't done the study trip. I've learned so much being here, I've seen so much, I've met such lovely people, everyone's been dead helpful, so you, Nathan, Jin have all been really, really good to us. Like whenever we needed something, they were always there and helped us. To a Korean folk village, or I wouldn't have hiked the Mount Buchan, and I wouldn't have seen all these things that I really wish I would have saw, like because I wouldn't have known how to go about it, especially with the language like barrier. But yeah, no, it's been a really good experience, and I'm really glad I did it. Yeah, there's been nothing that I can complain about really, nothing. So yeah, even the school, even though it was hard, like I still learned enough to be able to get by now, and I think that's really cool that you've been able to learn as well as experience the trip, because you're doing all these activities as well as learning, and it's, even though it's a holiday, you feel like you're doing something a bit more productive, I guess, because you're learning at the same time. But you're only going to miss them, I think, yeah, because everyone, we all have a lot in common, because obviously we come to South Korea, we all have an interest in Korea, and we all game, we all like anime, like it's all things that we have in common, and we all get along. I was really worried coming here that I'd not meet anyone and not be able to like go around with everyone. But I'm really glad I met them all because we've just done everything together, and it's made life so much easier.